Introducing the Gold Melting Induction Furnace. With a capacity from 500 grams to 2 kilograms, is designed for jewelers and small-scale goldsmiths. Using advanced induction melting technology, it provides precise temperature control for consistent and accurate melting. The system features fully automatic control with automatic power regulation, ensuring efficient operation with reduced heat, power, and metal loss. Auto stirring enables perfect alloy mixing, while 100% flameless technology ensures safe and clean operation. Compact, easy to install, and built for daily use, this furnace delivers fast melting, high productivity, and reliable performance for jewelry production and gold refining.